I welcome all the students of the 10th standard. I am your teacher Naman Trivedi. Now I am here to introduce yourselves about a platform which is iStudy12. Now in this platform we will be uploading the contents of maths and science subject, and we will be studying and learning all the concepts in a 3D way, using images, using the virtual content, and using as well as the different animations. Now as you know that science is basically made up of three fundamental branches, that is physics, biology and chemistry. Now I'll be the in charge of the biology. My name is Naman Trivedi. Okay, so I'll give some introduction about myself. So basically I'm a NEET biology faculty. I teach for both the mediums, that is English and Gujarati medium. I hold 2 master degrees. I have an MSc degree. I also have an MAd degree. Apart from that, I also have a 2-year management degree from Symbiosis in Pune, and I also have a diploma in plant tissue culture degree. To add on to that, I also have a research publication, as well as I have recently reviewed a book on biology MCQs, which has been launched in the month of the March 2020. So this is my brief introduction. Total, I have more than 5 years of working experience in teaching biology, and I teach entire biology subject of the 11th standard, 12th standard, as well as the biology chapters of the 10th standard. So here in this platform, there is iStudy12 platform. So please pay your attention and remember the name, that is iStudy12 platform. So we have prepared the content and concept based explanation of different topics of 10th maths and science. So this is exclusively meant for the 10th standard, but it is right now it has been launched only for the Gujarati medium. Later on we'll also replicate same in the English medium. So in the sciences, I'll be taking care of the biology, as I've already told you. Now as you know, the biggest problem with biology is a lot of people, including the teaching fraternity and the students, they believe that it is a subject to cram up or to mug it up. But in the reality, the biology subject is to understand, and we'll use different 3D images, animations, GIFs, okay, medical images to understand different topics which you will study in your 10th standard. So basically, as you know, in your 10th standard you have 2 chapters mainly. There is life processes is there, okay, and we have different systems of the human body. Like we'll be studying reproductive system, cardiovascular system, or what you call as transport system in human body, digestive system, nervous system, or endocrine system. So we'll be covering all of these systems in a unique manner, and I don't think there is any other platform in Gujarat which uses and which has done the same for Gujarati medium, in fact. So we'll be using all these 3D softwares, virtual images, along with the real content and real images of the textbook. And in that I have tried to explain everything in relation to textbook content, as well as I also added new images, edited images, so that it will be easier for you to understand. So overall, I have made an effort. In fact, we all the faculties at iStudy12 have made an effort to make it easy to absorb, easy to digest, easy to understand, and easy to remember. Okay, so we've done such manipulations and we've done such changes in the content, but yeah, overall the textbook content remains the same. So you will also get an idea how to write in the exam, what to write in the exam, because we have concised that in that manner. Okay, so the topics has been concised in that manner. Along with that, on our platform you will also get different accessory material or different other help, like you can download study material, you will get question papers of the past years of the board, and also you'll also get the practice sheets, and you'll also get the MCQs to solve. So once you take the subscription of the app, you can have access to all of these learning materials along with our lectures. Okay, and we also try to make it to a very affordable price, so everyone can afford, everyone can buy it. So a student in any corner of the Gujarat belonging to the Gujarati medium can easily have an access to it and can study it. This is what we have tried to do in the iStudy12 platform. So I hope you like it, and if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions in relation to the introduction or in relation to our platform, what it will be, how it will be, you can surely ping us, and you can also write us over here in the comment section. That's all. This is your teacher Naman Trivedi. I'm signing off, guys. Bye bye. Take care.